Hi there, Grass Lake. This is Mrs. Wallace, your teacher librarian and technology integration specialist. Today's video is going to show you how to update your Teams app. If you have downloaded Teams and pinned it to the bottom of your taskbar, you will need to update it every couple weeks to make sure that it's running smoothly and you have the newest updates. It's a really simple way to update, but it is important that you do it every few weeks. If you go to your main Teams page and click on your little icon up in the right-hand corner, for Kent students, it is usually their initials. You click on that and scroll down to check for updates. You'll get a little bar here that will tell you that they are installing any updates. It takes just a few seconds, and then it will tell you if it has installed all of your updates. Once you've done that, you're going to come back over to your little icon and sign out. The reason you want to do that is this is the only way for all of the updates to take effect. When you sign out, it will automatically sign you back in, which is really nice. You click sign in, and all those updates will take effect.